First question is the expression. This expression is independent of alpha, independent of gamma, whatever. Cosine square alpha plus beta plus gamma, cosine square beta plus gamma, cosine square alpha minus 2 cosine alpha, cosine beta plus gamma, cosine beta. Okay, this is weird. So alpha plus beta plus gamma जो है उसको अपन u बोल देंगे, इसको v, and this is like alpha. Yeah, okay, w बोल दो. Okay. So cosine square u plus cosine square v plus cosine square alpha minus 2 cosine of u v w. हाँ वो ठीक है, समझ गया. So what about it? Square है ना इसमें. I think I've seen this somewhere. Oh right, so like, oh I know. इनका एडिशन जीरो कर सकते हैं अपन इन अ वे. राइट, एक काम करो, लाइक, ओके, सो साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा को रिप्लेस करो, सॉरी कोसाइन स्क्वायर अल्फा को रिप्लेस करो कोसाइन पाई माइनस अल्फा से, एंड देन यहाँ पे प्लस आ जाएगा, राइट. या यहाँ पे प्लस आ जाएगा. एंड एक काम करो, उसको दूसरा मल्टीप्लाई कर, क्या हो जाएगा, हाफ, इसको ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ ना, यू प्लस वी प्लस डब्ल्यू इज इक्वल टू pi, or and this thing is just like cosine square u का sum plus 2 product of cosine u, right. So this is like half, or फिर 2 ये which is 1 plus वो 1 सब में आएगा, like 3 plus summation of cosine 2u and plus 4 summation of cosine u. पर अपने को पता है कि that this thing can be written as 4 product of 2u है ना. Wait a second. Or then you can't just change, you have to write it like this. This is like 4 product of cosine u, I think in negative or something, and then yeah, so like for example 2 pi upon 3 में negative 1 upon 2, negative 3 upon 2, इसमें तुम्हें negative 1 लगेगा पे. Yes, yes, that's the thing. So it can be written like this. तो ये तो मर गया, just 3 minus 1 is like 2, 2 times का आधा, so just 1, independent of everything basically. So independent of alpha, beta and gamma. D is the answer. Next question, second question is f of x is equal to this thing, then show the following is correct. So x natural log of 1 plus 1 upon x. It's like, हाँ ठीक है. So limit as x tends to 0, this is like going to infinity. That's not good. So ये तो सही होगा. X tends to infinity, then fine. It's just basically natural log. Yeah, this is just natural log of e in that case, which is yes, just 1. So C is correct. अपने को चाहिए the following is correct. C. Oh wait, first का जो अपन multiple choice है ना. Okay, so A is correct as well, B is correct, and then shit, dependent बोला इसने, independent नहीं बोला. It should be A and B. Okay, just A and B. सेकेंड का क्या है, एफ इज इंक्रीजिंग हो गया, एक्स टेंस टू जीरो क्या हो जाएगा, इट्स लाइक ये चीज, नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ 1 plus 1 upon x upon 1 plus x. Okay, upon 1 upon x, right. It's like, okay, 1 upon x को n बोल दो, it's like natural log of 1 plus n as n tends to infinity बात करते हैं, then it's like what, 1 upon 1 plus n आ जाएगा, upon नीचे आया just n का rate is 1, so this is 0 as n goes to infinity. Yeah, and as n goes to negative infinity क्या होने वाला है, once again the same kind of thing, because oh shit वो तो defined नहीं है. Wait, yeah, so x can't go to 0 minus, that's not defined, so x can only go to 0 plus, right. So then it's okay, then it is just 0. So B is correct, C is correct. हमेशा कौन से करेक्ट है, वही है. ओके, और क्या, एफ इज स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग, इसका डेरिवेटिव कैसे रहने वाला है, और शुड आई जस्ट से नेचुरल लॉग, नो, ओके, इसका डेरिवेटिव लो, जस्ट गेट लाइक नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ 1 plus 1 upon x, फिर यहाँ पे क्या प्लस x, यहाँ पे आएगा 1 upon, ओके कूल, you have to do this thing 1 plus 1 upon x, फिर यहाँ पे आएगा नेगेटिव 1 upon x square, एंड दिस इज लाइक दिस एक x मर गया, यहाँ पे नीचे x 1 upon x plus 1, यहाँ पर है नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दैट मेस्ड अप स्टफ. इज दिस थिंग ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, आई हैव नो आइडिया. इसका डेरिवेटिव लो क्या आता है, तो अपन इसका तो ऑलरेडी ले चुके हैं एक बार, एक्सेप्ट इसमें वो x नहीं था, सो राइट, इट्स लाइक दिस थिंग अपॉन x, नेगेटिव 1 upon x टाइम्स ऑफ x plus 1 आएगा, देन यहाँ पे प्लस आ जाएगा 1 upon x plus 1 का स्क्वायर, सो x plus 1 कॉमन ले गया, दैट्स टू पॉजिटिव, which is negative 1 upon x plus 1, which happens to be negative. Well yeah, because how negative है. So this thing is decreasing, so what is it at x equal to, I don't know, just put it as like infinity. X equal to infinity, this is a negative 0 approaching. Okay, x equal to 0 पे we can't put that. X equal to 1, natural log of 2 minus 1 upon 2, natural log of 2 is something like 0.6 something, and then minus 0.5, so at least 1 पे तो ये पॉजिटिव दिख रहा है अपने को. As x approaches 0 plus क्या होने वाला है यहाँ पे, this thing just becomes infinity minus 0, so that's actually positive. Okay, so this is asymptotic behavior. अच्छा, और ये when this is going to be like 0 or what, at x equal to infinity क्या हो जाएगा, just natural log of 1 approximately over there, so just 0, and minus that's also 0 somehow, but not exactly. Wait. Oh, just approximate, man. Just approximate. 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 1. Turns out this is actually positive. So asymptotically was 0 pe ja raha hai. That's the thing. So yeah, then f is always increasing in that case. So A is correct. So f is always increasing, and kya limit x to 0 f of x is equal to 1 up is equal to 0. Okay. I mean the derivative was just this, and then it was 0 here at infinity, so it's always decreasing. There's only one way, right? Yeah. F is strictly increasing. Yes, I believe that. Limit x extension. Oh, ये तो सही है. This is also correct. F is exactly 1 point of extremum. इसका अपन डेरिवेटिव देखे थे just this thing. So when is this equal to 0 at infinity? No extremum. So A, B, and C. Next question. Next, third. Third is if A vector equal to this thing, B vector equal to this thing, so yeah, then A cross B cross. Okay, so A dot B times B vector. I get that is parallel to this thing, orthogonal to A I plus J. Okay, orthogonal to this. Okay. मैंने दूसरा डॉट ले रहा हूँ साथ में. Just very weird. क्या ये x I y and then इसमें z है, फिर यहाँ पे y z x है, तो इसमें रोटेट किया एक बार, and then यहाँ पे तुमने एक और बार रोटेट कर डाला. Okay, cool. God, you actually have to do this it seems. You can always do this thing, right? A dot c times b vector. So A dot c क्या हो जाएगा? कोई भी दो वेक्टर्स का डॉट प्रोडक्ट, तो क्या एक्स जेड प्लस एक्स वाई प्लस वाई जेड, वो एक ही कॉम्बिनेशन आता है हर जगह पे. तो मैं रोटेट भी कर दिया तो भी सेम आ जाएगा. सो लाइक A dot c is the same thing as, oh right, it just becomes this thing in that case, b vector minus c vector, and then that times of A dot c after जो भी है, like just summation of x y, right? Yeah. So it's parallel to b vector minus c vector, right? Which is y minus c. Okay, y minus z, z minus x. Yeah, this thing, and then x minus y. So yeah, A is correct. और क्या है? This is orthogonal to I plus j plus k. Well, yeah, so इसमें dot लो, zero हो जाता है somehow. Okay, orthogonal to this. So like y plus z का like y square minus z square, z square minus x square, still वो cancel हो जाएगा. So C is also correct. Okay. And orthogonal to x plus y. Look, इससे है then इससे भी होगा, because this is like x plus y plus z minus x, or फिर x plus y plus z is like x plus y plus z times 1. You get the thing. So yes, D is also correct. Okay, cool. Next question, fourth. Fourth is which of the following statements is true about the circles, this circle and that circle, then the transverse column tangents is square root of 2 units. Transverse common tangents. Oh, okay, common tangents, fine. That thing. Transverse चाहिए अपने को. That's not good. Length of direct common tangents. Okay, तो इसमें coordinates का कुछ भी नहीं दिया ना, सिर्फ ज्योमेट्री दी है. Okay, तो इसका सेंटर और रेडियस सब कुछ निकाल लो, right? 0,0 से पास हो रहा है, and it's like negative 2,0 से पास हो रहा है. So right, which means कि इसका diameter 2 है. This is like 1 radius, और यहाँ पे क्या है? x equal to 3. सेंटर है, ये 6 रहेगा. इसका रेडियस 3 है, डिस्टेंस भी 3 है. ओके, क्या बोला है? लेंथ ऑफ ट्रांसवर्स कॉमन टेंजेंट, दिस थिंग. ट्रांसवर्स कॉमन टेंजेंट कौन सा है? इसमें है ही नहीं. या वेल दैट्स नॉट देयर. गॉड, दोनों 0 0 से पास हो रहे हैं यार. दीज आर टचिंग. So there is no transverse common tangent. There is a direct common tangent though. Like ऐसे दो direct common tangents. You have to figure out those guys' lengths. वैसा अपने करना पड़ेगा. So right, this is, oh god, I hate this. But चलो ठीक है, this is 1, this thing is 3. तुम यहाँ पे लोगे, this is 2, in that case this is 1. ये जो पूरी चीज़ है, this is a 4, so square root of that. Okay, cool. मतलब कि 2 square root of 3, in that case this thing, right? That's what this thing is. Yes, wait. No. 6 minus 4. Yeah, that's the thing. 2 square root of 3. So direct common tangent की length क्या है? 2 square root of 3. So B is correct. Region which is bisected by the line joining the center enclosed by the common tangents. Enclosed by the common tangents. So ये right, which is bisected by the line joining the center enclosed by the common tangents is a right angle isosceles trapezium. Oh, so you mean like, wait, but that's this thing. So ये तो extend करते जा, it's a triangle in that case. It's not a trapezium, it's a triangle. unless जो तुमने tangents बोले those are only chords, then maybe that would make sense. So फिर ये सिर्फ ऐसा हो जाएगा, right? I have no idea. It should be like not a trapezium, but actual make like a triangle, I think. Area of trapezium enclosed by common tangents and two chords of contact. Two chords of contact. Oh, okay. समझा. So like this area, that's what you're talking about, right? Yeah. Okay. So वो area कितना है? It's 6 square root of 3 units. Well, now you know the length of these guys. Also, you kind of know कि ये length क्या होनी चाहिए. No, it's not going good. तो मैं ये ढूंढने पड़ेगा in that case. That is so stupid. You definitely don't want to be doing that. Oof. मौके तरीका तो है नहीं. So just have to figure out the points. Nah, that's not good enough. अपने बेसिकली ये हाइट दूंगे ना. Yeah. So you know कि ये लेंथ क्या है. You don't know ये लेंथ क्या है unfortunately. Oh god. So you want that area somehow. 6 sort of 3 units. We'll have to figure out the y coordinate, otherwise there's no hope for us. So should we start in that case? Yeah, to start, figure out the tangent in that case. ठीक है ना? No big deal. We just have to do this thing. So I hate this. नहीं, that's isn't there a geometric way? Geometric way कुछ तो होगा इसमें. Radius is 1. This thing is like ये 1 है, ये 3 है, ये जो है यहाँ पे perpendicular है. That's important, I guess. This is perpendicular to that. यहाँ पे ये ऐसा हो रहा है. This is also perpendicular to this guy. And this thing is 2. This thing is 1. Okay. Oh, it's not 2. It's 3 actually. Sorry. Right. And then you want to figure out कि ये height क्या होने वाली है. Call this like x. So ये एक vertical line हो जाएगी. That is okay. Not going good. You want to figure out the angle क्या and what not. So ये x है, यहाँ पे 3s, like यहाँ पे 3x होगा because similar figures है यहाँ पे. So this is 1 plus x. This is okay. Very weird. So this is 3 minus 3x. That's what this distance is. This distance is like 1 plus x. Combine कर दो just 4 minus 2x. 4 minus 2x ये distance है. And what about this height? Oh, we know what that thing is in fact. Except काम नहीं करेगा. This just won't work, huh? Yeah. F over 3 times. So I know the angles are same and everything, but वो काम. Call this y. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? This is like 3y. तो एक y कट क्या? This is 2y over there. So like क्या? 2y का square 4y square plus 4 minus 2x का square is equal to 2 square root 3 का. That was the thing, right? Well, yeah. Just 4 times 6 is 12 and तो अपन क्या कर सकते हैं? 4 हटा दो. Just y square plus यहाँ से क्या 2 square गया, which is like 2 minus x का square यहाँ पे is equal to 12. Also we know that x square plus y square is just equal to 1. So some stuff can happen. Just 1 minus 4x because yeah, and plus 4 equal to 12. So ये हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 8 is 7 और x negative आ रहा है for some reason. Not what I expected. Yeah, definitely not what I expected. ये तो ऐसा होना चाहिए था. तो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव कैसे आ गया? That's just 1 plus x. Okay, this is 3. यहाँ पे 3x है. Minus 2x over there. Oh, यहाँ पे 3 चाहिए यार. यहाँ पे 12 क्यों लिखा है? This is 3 over there. So this is minus 4x plus 4 equal to. Okay, यार यहाँ पे 3 चाहिए. So यहाँ पे अगर negative 1, you already negative 1 है. So 2 equal to 4x, x equal to 1 upon 2. You got that at least. You got x equal to 1 upon 2. मतलब कि ये क्या ये कितना होगा? Just square root 3 upon 2 in that case, right? Okay, you are getting the thing. अच्छा फिर ये चीज़ क्या हो जाएगी? 3 times of that like 3 square 3 upon 2. So अपने को legs मिल गए which are just this thing. So 4 upon 2 is like 2 square root 3 कहाँ था? Just square root of 3 in that case. Square root of 3 times that's the average of these guys. That times of ये चीज़ which is just we called it 4 minus 2x. So x is just okay 1 मतलब जब 3 आएगा. So 3 square root of 3, right? Oh, 2 times of that actually 6 square root of 3. So yes, D is also correct. D is correct. joined by the centers enclosed by the common tangent. The right axis is trapezium that just falls. Region of the direct common tangents is region length of the direct common tangents is 2 sort of 3. Yeah, 3 common tangents है उसमें जो मिडल वाला उसका तो क्या मतलब. Okay, so B is correct, D is correct. Next question. Fifth. यहाँ पे तो काफी स्लो गया मैं. Let ABC be the three set of complex numbers defined as below. A is Z such that imaginary value of Z is greater than or equal to 1. B is Z such that Z is minus 2 minus I. Okay, so like 2 comma I and then circle 3 whole. And C equal to Z such that real of 1 minus Z. Okay, जो भी है. Let Z be any point in A intersection B intersection C and let omega be any point satisfying this less than 3. Okay, मतलब इसके अंदर बेसिकली. फाइन. सो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू 2 कमा आई करो ना सब कुछ, राइट. फिर तुम्हें y कोऑर्डिनेट के ऊपर चाहिए. दिस इज एट 2 कमा 1 ऑलरेडी एंड रेडियस तुम्हारा 3 है. सो देयर इज सम स्टफ बीनीथ इट बट वो अपने को नहीं चाहिए, राइट. ओके, so like what you are getting with respect to 2 comma 1, it's like y minus 1. Yeah, जब भी तुम y बोल रहे थे then it's actually like y plus 1 is bigger than or equal to 1, so y is bigger than or equal to 0 in that case, right? Okay, that is what it's saying. Oh, okay. Also r मतलब कि वो चीज इज इक्वल टू 3, तो तुम्हारा अराउंड 0,0 सेंटर है. ओके, अब यहाँ पे जब भी तुम z बोल रहे हो एक्चुअली मतलब ये चीज z प्लस 2 प्लस आयोटा एंड दैट टाइम्स ऑफ 1 माइनस आयोटा, राइट. इसका रियल पार्ट कितना है वी हैव टू फिगर दैट आउट. 1 माइनस आयोटा टाइम्स z प्लस क्या है जस्ट 2. well yeah, that was the thing. Just 2 minus minus like plus 1. रियल पार्ट दिखने से उसकी जरूरत नहीं है. just this thing. So 1 minus iota plus okay z time okay plus 3 will square root of 2 is like yeah square root of 2 minus 3 in that case. So that's the thing. 1 minus iota times ये चीज. Okay, right, the real part of this thing of course. So what does that actually mean? यहाँ पे x minus y होगा, which is x plus y is equal to square root of 2 minus 3. That's an important thing. That is our wait, that's square root of 2 and this is the okay, somehow it works out, right. So ये अपनी वो line है. Okay, तो basically it's this hemisphere. Okay, omega is any point satisfying. Okay, omega is disk पे कहीं पर तो भी है. Z is at the point where this happens. So x plus y equal to this thing, मतलब कि ऐसे दो पॉइंट्स लगे. अच्छा क्या है ये? Right, what is going on? X plus y equal to this thing and also you just have x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. It's like 9. Okay, cool. God. And you also want y bigger than 0. You just have to figure out the point itself. Just put this in there. So just put y equal to or like x equal to sort of 2 minus 3 minus that, right? So yeah, shit. Think about it. So distance वगैरह अपन ढूंढ सकते हैं क्या? I think yeah, but just skip it completely. क्या हो जाएगा in that case? Just put that square root of 2 minus 3 minus y का स्क्वायर. यार यहाँ पे square root of 2 क्यों डाला? इतनी गंदी वैल्यू नहीं है क्या ये? Yeah, this is a very weird thing going on. You want कि इसका real part जो है that should be that's like 2 comma I is the thing though. जो भी है. Okay, plus y square is equal to 9. तो अपन को ढूंढना पड़ेगा y कितना है. And only positive y's work. So y is 2y square minus 2 times of square root of 2 minus 3. What? Like plus कर दो ना यहाँ पे. So plus 3 minus square root of 2. 2 times of that y जिसका square which is 2 plus 9 which is 11 minus 6 square root of 2 that's equal to 9 in this case. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे 2 आ जाएगा. So 2 से डिवाइड करो. y squared plus 3 minus 2 so sorry shit 3 minus square root of 2 y plus 1 minus 3 square root of 2 equal to 0. That is our thing. Okay, think. 1 upon 3. What do you make out of it? 3 है यहाँ पे इन दैट केस, नॉट मेकिंग सेंस। यहाँ पे 11 था, ये कैसे हो गया? ओके, अब क्या करूँ, अब क्या करूँ? You can't just solve it by using formula, that would be stupid. Shit. 1. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे थी तो I would have been able to do this thing. पर अभी तो नहीं कर पाऊंगा मैं इसको. Okay, what about like 1/3 common ले लो, it's like 1/3 times 1. That also won't work. Oh, 3 and 1/3, right? Well, okay. 3/2 2 वहाँ पे डाल दिया, it's basically like 2/3. एक जगह पे क्या है, 3/2 है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, तो that doesn't actually make any sense. कुछ और. It's not helping. Okay, this is the thing. Fine. अब देखो चाहिए क्या है? Omega is any point satisfying omega minus 2 minus iota less than 3. हाँ, so about this. Okay, right. इस पे है कहीं तो भी. Then magnitude of z is it's some point on this circumference. That's all you care about, right? Okay. Magnitude of z. So the distance from 0, 0 in that case, right? हाँ, तो वो तुम्हें ढूंढना पड़ेगा ना. ऐसे थोड़ी ना मिल जाता directly. That is less than 3. I don't know. Omega का magnitude is less than 4. Wait, omega के बारे में कुछ दिया नहीं. Wait, but then okay, you will have to figure these out. और कोई तरीका है नहीं. With a -6, magnitude of z is bigger than 3. There's no other way. You have to figure this out. You know this, and so according to this, वो क्या जाएगा? Just -2 comma negative, right? Okay, -2 comma -1. Center, right? So we just want from that. God, this is not good. You will have to figure this out, but then कैसे इसको? I don't know. अपन ने try किया, it didn't work. Okay, something else. We got x square plus y square equal to 9. Okay, but that's not what we want. We want x plus 2 ka square and I plus 1 ka square, which is not here. Probably rotate or something, right? Yeah. So let's just say like z times 1 minus iota upon square root of 2 is something new, like z dash, whatever, right? Yes. वैसे मेरे को मैग्नीट्यूड से पूछे वैसे भी, तो फिर फर्क नहीं पड़ता, अपन कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो yeah, who cares? But then this is another complicated thing going on, because imaginary part z bigger than 1, it just becomes complicated. It's along one hemisphere or something. Okay, just give up. This is not doable in one go. Next question. Fifth is just Rajiv. Sixth is if alpha, beta, alpha, gamma are the roots of this equation and beta, gamma are the roots of this. Alpha, beta, gamma, HP instead of following is correct. Alpha, gamma इसके roots है. Alpha, beta, gamma, beta, delta. Okay, roots of this thing. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta are in HP. बस क्या कह दिया अपने को, कुछ खास दिया तो है नहीं, जस्ट ये दिया है कि अल्फा बीटा अपॉन अल्फा और लाइक अल्फा प्लस बीटा अपॉन अल्फा बीटा दैट इज इक्वल टू 4. ओके, और क्या दिया है? बीटा गामा बीटा डेल्टा का एक्चुअली दिया है, गामा हो गया एक्चुअली, और दिया है बीटा प्लस डेल्टा अपॉन बीटा डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू 6 and alpha beta gamma delta are in HP. I think in that particular, right? Oh, that just means ki, God, that's awesome. So 2 beta delta upon beta plus delta, that is just 1/3. So gamma is, right, gamma is 1/3. Okay, similarly तुम्हें beta मिल जाएगा, like beta is what, right? The harmonic mean, whatever, 1/2 in that case, right? Yes. So अपने को beta मिल गया, gamma मिल गया. Now we'll have to figure out alpha and delta. Awesome. अच्छा, इसको रेसिप्रोकल करा दो ना, you will get the thing. So this is a beta is this thing, gamma is just 2 3, फिर keep on going 4 and 1. So this is 1/alpha and whatever. Alpha is just 1. Okay. A दिया है for some reason, ठीक है जो भी है. Okay. Beta is 1/2. Yes. Gamma is 1/3. So A and B are correct. You also want B and A. Okay. So 1/A is alpha beta, so like A is just 1/alpha beta, which we happen to be knowing. Sorry, alpha gamma, right? So it's like A is 3. A is 3 and then फिर ये जगह 2 times 4 8, so that's B. So C and D are also correct. Next question. Seventh is if sine power 4 upon 5 plus cosine power 4 upon 4 equal to 1 upon 9, so the following is or true. Okay, looks like I've seen this somewhere. So ये ऐसा हो जाएगा कि harmonic mean, I know. Sine squared times, yeah, I understood this. Sine square plus cosine square is this thing, right? Sine square upon 5 upon sine square plus cosine square upon 4 upon sine square. Guess that's the thing. Okay, wait. कोई और अच्छा तरीका है इससे? तो फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट. और कोई तरीका होगा ना? और दिस इज द बेटर वे, लाइक साइन स्क्वायर टाइम्स ये चीज. ओके, फिर अपॉन 9 आई हैव टू फिगर इट आउट समहाउ. 5 अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर, let's say 5 upon sine square. Harmonic mean of something, but then what? सबने चाहिए tan square of x and cot square of x, right? Okay. Come on, think about it. Sine square upon sin square upon 9 upon sine square plus cosine square, which is just the arithmetic mean. This thing is becoming equal to harmonic mean, which is sin square upon cosine square ऊपर आएगा, right? Upon इनके अपने को रेसिप्रोकल करने से 5 sin square तो मर गया, just 5 plus 4, right? Which is 9. So इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, that these are just equal. So sin square upon 5 is equal to cosine square upon 4. That's what we get in this way. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, that 4 minus 4 c square is equal to 5 c square, यानी कि 9 c square equal to 4. एंड सिमिलरली तुम्हें मिलेगा 9 s square is equal to 5, right? इसमें ये चीज मिल जाएगी. So what does this mean? We just want to figure out first of all cot square, which is 4 upon 5. So A is correct, tan square is not 4 upon 5. 64 upon cosine power 6 is 4 upon 9 का power, okay, 3. Cool. 64 upon 64 आएगा, फिर इसमें 9 power 3 ऊपर जाएगा, just 9 power 3 plus 9 power 3 it seems. Yeah, so 2 times of 9 power 3, that is this thing. 7 to 9 का double है ये. Yeah, it is. So C is correct. एंड देन ये क्या है यहाँ पे 125 अपन क्वेश्चन पावर 6 है, इसमें तो नहीं है कि दैट्स जस्ट नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. सो सी इज करेक्ट, ए इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 8. 8th is if the this equation have exactly one root in common, the value of a is exactly one root in common, you are saying. Okay, तो दो नहीं, ax plus 2 equal to ऑप्शन वाइज जा सकते हैं ना अपन. नहीं, नॉट येट. यहाँ पे ए तुमने दिया, राइट? सो ठीक है, जिससे वो कॉमन रूट अल्फा है, देन we'll just figure out कि क्या values है in that case, right? But yeah, suppose वो common root alpha we have like alpha square minus a alpha, इसलिए x ही है यार, वो common root x बोल देते हैं, plus ax plus 2 is equal to 0 and then x square minus 4x plus a equal to 0. So अपने को x ढूंढना है first of all, right? So how do you do that? Subtract, of course. Just get this thing, a minus 4 times x plus a minus 2 is equal to 0, right? X is just equal to 2 minus a upon a minus 4, or like it's a negative of a minus 2 upon a minus 4. Is that right? Yeah, okay, so अपने को x मिल गया, and then we also want x square in a similar fashion. So क्या आएगा, इसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, इसको a से मल्टीप्लाई करो, and then just subtract. So just get a minus 4 times of x square plus तुमने इसको a से मल्टीप्लाई किया था ना, just a square minus 8 is equal to 0. So x square is just equal to negative of a square minus 8 upon a square minus 4, which happens to be इसका square, right? Well, yeah. Oh, इसको simplify करो ना, right? Wait, नहीं, इसमें a square आ रहा था, तो can't simplify unfortunately. This is just equal to इसका square, which is जो भी है a minus 2 का square upon a minus 4 का square. अब देख लेंगे क्या है, क्या इतना भी क्या है, just कर डालो, just a square minus 4a plus, नहीं, you know what, let's not राइट नाउ अपन थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करके बोले ओह नहीं 8 है यहाँ पे शिट दैट वोंट हेल्प तो अपने को एक्चुअली में स्क्वायर करना ही पड़ेगा ओके जो भी है सो नेगेटिव ऑफ दिस थिंग अपन डायरेक्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट भी नहीं कर सकते अनफॉर्चुनेटली ठीक है so just have to figure out the value of a is ठीक है ना चलता so a square minus a minus 4 का स्क्वायर times a square minus 8 equal to 0 जैसे a minus 4 equal to u you know so this will be फिर एक काम करो a minus 3 को u बोल देते हैं right a minus 3 को u बोल देते so just a equal to 3 plus u everywhere तो ये क्या हो जाएगा just u minus 1 का स्क्वायर that times of shit that won't help nothing will help in this way ये तो अपन फैक्टराइज भी नहीं कर सकते शिट इसका मतलब 4 नो ओके जस्ट फैक्ट इसको सॉल्व भी करो और कोई तरीका नहीं है सो a स्क्वायर माइनस 16 a प्लस 16 टाइम्स a स्क्वायर माइनस 8 वो कितना होने वाला है a पावर 4 वेट शिट ये गॉड नो इट्स अ बाय क्वाड्रेटिक इन दैट केस not solvable easily need something better in any case biquadratic रहने वाला है ना so you can't just solve it guesswork okay value of directly put करके दिया let's see 3 काम करता है क्या so like 9 minus 8 1 आ जाएगा this is also positive no not good it has to be less than 8 and bigger than 4 so 2 से बड़ा 2 से छोटा 2 sort of 3 no negative 2 sort of 3 once again doesn't work ये चीज 2 plus minus square root of 3 maybe okay 2 plus 1 ये negative sign अपने को that's the main point that this thing should be negative then इसका negative करना इतना yeah that's what we think right okay so ये चीज होती है क्या आई थिंक वही एक ऑप्शन बचा तो वही करना पड़ेगा इसका जो स्क्वायर है स्क्वायर just get this thing 4 plus 3 plus minus 4 square root of 3 right yeah so is this less than 8 and bigger than 4 somehow यहाँ पे 7 आएगा just plus minus 4 square root of 3 is that less than 1 and big no it's not negative 3 आ रहा है यहाँ पे okay शायद से अगर negative करा तो it will work negative 4 no none of these actually work none of these work shit but okay a complex है नहीं if a has to be real then this has to be working but then oh god कुछ गलत हो गया अपना गलत नहीं हुआ ये it has to be squared it has to be squared over there nope exactly कोई भी रूट कॉमन नहीं हो सकता इसमें अगर एक भी कॉमन रूट रहा रियल कॉम्प्लेक्स कुछ भी रहे then a is such that ऐसा होता है and which means there is a solution so इसका कोई solution ही नहीं है next question ninth is equation of possible common tangents to this thing is or r so y squared equal to 8 times x minus 3 and x squared equal to 8 times of y minus 3 इसके tangents okay right just you know y is equal to क्या होता है y equal to x plus 80 square so let's say y देखिए यहाँ पे a use करा like okay y let us say u let's do the thing so y equal to x plus 80 square for first right x कितना है यहाँ पे x minus 3 and then plus 80 square so like plus a तो यहाँ पे just 2 है so 2t squared right or like we can say y is equal to m वो सब आ जाएगा okay so mx minus 3m plus 2 upon m squared 9 2 upon m just that right okay और क्या आएगा for this guy once again y की जगह पे x लिख रहा हूँ इक्वल टू m की जगह पे 1/m, x की जगह पे y माइनस 3, a की जगह पे 2/m की जगह पे टाइम्स m। या सो ये क्या हो रहा है, mx इज इक्वल टू y माइनस 3 प्लस 2m स्क्वायर, विच मीन्स कि y इज इक्वल टू mx प्लस 3 माइनस 2m स्क्वायर। तो दीज शुड बी इक्वल, इसका मतलब हुआ that 2m squared minus 3m minus 3 because both are like plus 2 upon m and has to be equal to 0 it seems. Okay, cool. So this is in case 2 times of m squared plus 1 upon is like m plus 1 upon m ka square. Oh shit, yahan pe, okay, it's a cubic in that case, not a quadratic, pi quadratic. It's like what, 2m power 3 minus 3m squared minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. कोई obvious solution है इसमें? That is the thing, right? Well, yeah. So कोई obvious solution, I don't know, 2 equal m equal to 2 try कर सकते हैं, it's like 2 times of 8. So पहले तो क्या, 4 common, 4 times of 4 is 3 is just 1, so 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 minus 2, oh, it works out somehow. So m minus 2 works, m equal to 4 also. So just m minus 2 से divide कर देते इसको. I know, बहुत slow हो रहा हो लगता है. So divide by m minus 2, what you get? Just get 2m square, मतलब कि 2m cube minus 2m square, फिर subtract किया, just get ये cancel हो गया, it's negative m square minus 3m. 0. Okay, these are our solutions. Possible common tangents to this thing. M equal to 1, negative 1 upon 2, और क्या था, m equal to 2. हाँ, तुमने इसको, okay, well, whatever. Just we figure out if this works or not. So y equal to ये चीज, just copy this down. Let's see क्या होता है. So पहला क्या आएगा, y equal to x, फिर minus 3m. Yeah, this is just very weird actually. जो भी है, फिर minus 3m is like minus 3 plus 2 यानी कि minus 1 आ जाएगा पे. So 1 is y equal to x minus 1, which is x minus y plus, so equal to 1, that works. Should it like y? Okay, wait a second. This was m equal to negative, okay, yeah. This was negative, right? God, no, something went wrong. Negative m squared minus 3m bahar aaya, and then minus m's like shit. It should be negative 5m plus 2. Wait, वो तो काम ही नहीं करेगा in that case. What went wrong? m equal to 2, right? पहले 2m square से just 2m cube, फिर हाँ मैं स्टार्ट से गलत कर रहा था यार, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ आखिर, सो रहा हूँ क्या मैं. So just 2m square plus shit not plus, बस भी गलतियाँ कर रहा हूँ, minus 4m square, subtract करो, just get m squared in that case, minus 3m. So just need plus m, फिर यहाँ पे जगह m square minus 2m, subtract करो, just get negative m plus 2, then it's negative 1. Yeah, wait, that was the thing, right? Yeah, this is the thing, just 2m squared plus 2m minus m minus 1 equal to 0, मतलब कि m plus 1, m equal to negative 1 और m equal to 1 upon 2 और m equal to 2, ये इक्वेशंस रहेंगे. सो इट्स लाइक नेगेटिव 1 चाहिए ना पे, वही तो लिख रहा हूँ मैं, नेगेटिव 1. ओके, इट्स लाइक x plus y is equal to something, right? इस केस में क्या हो रहा है, जस्ट y, okay, y equal to ये चीज़, when it's negative 1, just get y plus x is equal to positive 3 and then minus 2, which is just 1. So that's a is there. और क्या है, when m is 2, just get y is equal to 2x minus 6 plus 1. That's the thing, which is negative 5. It's like, okay, 2x minus y minus 5 equal to 0, which is B. Next question. Wait, nahi, और भी है. When y equal to 1 upon 2, right? बस ये use कर लो in that case. So you just get x is equal to 2 times y minus 3, right? And plus 2m, which is 1. So x is equal to 2y minus 6 plus like minus 5, right? So 2y minus x equal to 5, or x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. So C also works. Next question, 10th. सिर्फ टेंजेंट्स होने में मुझे इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है आखिर? दिस इज नॉट गोइंग गुड. इसकी गड़बड़ हो रही है. For all AB, the function, this function has exactly one local extremum, has no point of inflection, has 2 points of inflection. Okay. This function, इसका नाम है क्या? अच्छा, extremum. Fine. So डेरिवेटिव निकालो. Just 12x power 3 minus 12x square plus 12x plus a. Okay, 12x plus a, तो like a plus divide कर दो, what you get like x cube minus x square plus x plus a upon 12, right? Okay, अपने को ये zero चाहिए for extremum. But then think about this function for a second. अगर मैं इसमें plus 1 डालूँ, then it just becomes like x power 4 minus 1 upon x minus 1, right? That won't actually help. So something else. So for all AB belong to real, this thing has exactly one local extremum. इसका derivative क्या है? Just 3x square minus 2x. Okay, this is not always positive. So इसका, yeah, I mean you gonna have, right, for sure. Just plus 1 है इसमें. This is the thing. So इसका discriminant of course negative है क्या इसका? This was like 4 minus 4 times. Oh shit. Somehow इसका discriminant negative है. So this is like always positive. तो ये हमेशा ever increasing function है. इसका एक ही, फिर in that case maximum हो सकता है, right? This x equal to negative infinity, तो negative infinity n. So just one extremum. So A is correct. Wait, what if that is also a point of inflection? I mean that depends on A itself. So, or second derivative of, right? Okay. Exactly one local extremum. 2 points of inflection has one. So because ये biquadratic ऐसा नहीं होगा कि इसमें inflection point आएगा, right? Second derivative इसका कैसे रहने वाला है? Just so it has no point of inflection because second derivative कभी zero नहीं होगा. So B is correct. और क्या है? That's it. Next question. You know what? No, we should stop here. मुझे लग रहा है कि 1 घंटे से ऊपर ऑलरेडी हो चुका होगा. So this is it. We'll stop here. See you guys next video.